Hello guys, today we're gonna draw a
Init na!
character.
Kamusta kami sa kanina guys? Ako nang guys sila. Oh, like this. And then, you're gonna count this
One second.
like 1, 2, 3, 4. I know, so sweet.
Wanna use my right hand? Use any of your hands. Just
Oh, gusto mo ikaw na
I
lang?
want to do it.
One.
If you can't do it, just
Oh, ikaw pa tayo.
what?
Kapag ayan.
So okay.
Here.
First, you do a circle. It's okay if you don't do a perfect like me. But you just do a low one and then erase it until it's perfect.
Oh, ayos na naman.
Okay, eto na. Namasabi na ako. Yes, just a few more minutes. Happy already.
There.
Just give him whatever it is we got. Sige na, ito na. Paalis na kayo. Babe,
So
ikaw na bahala
we're
dun sa
gonna
mga
draw
naiwan na
this
para sa ref. Please,
figure.
Itong mga ilalagay sa ref. Lagay mo na sa ref.
You can do your own designs, but just copy the stickman figure. Then you put a line on top. Just not pink, not thick. Just a line.
Sorry, I will miss the whole. Bye. Yan, bye.
And then shoot through
So, you're gonna assess
and then
first.
erase.
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, you have to use the one here first before you use this.
Also
Put this
erase.
aside. So you have to.
And then you do what you here.
Clean, what can you put here?
You see that?
Now, what will you
Kind
do?
of better.
You switch something. You have to. Ano lagay mo? Buksan. Ah. Now,
You can
check.
design
Success
your
again.
own
You can
hair.
put something somewhere.
So the
No, hindi sila alternate.
cube.
Dapat yung red, black, red, black, or black, red.
And then you put
But
like
else, check.
Naku, ang dumi ang gabi ko. Bakit ko kasing kayo nag-film?
Oh, ano pa?
and then shoot it off.
I don't know. I don't know. How about that? Where did you put the queen? Ay, the nine.
Kailangan ko ba sa school?
Nine?
May sasabihin ko yung teacher.
Okay. And
Kaya, saan ang mami dati mo?
you just
Si daddy ko mo sa
wait.
Eh, ang mami mo.
Pretty high.
Sige na, hindi na. Hindi.
Inda.
Nagamilangan ako, ang lumigmi ang kamay ko. Ano na kasi hindi kayo nag-ilagay?
What?
Hindi pa naman ng
Yan. Oh, another one.
Hindi
Yes, very good.
Basis kaya kung paano tayo bawal dito.
Meron pa, pwedeng pa-imove yun din. oh.
Kung inform sa inyo na
Both of them.
medyo mabababa
Kasi alternate. Black. Ah, ganyan. Any numbers, but it has to be alternate. But when you put it here na, it should be one, six, win. Win. Just leave it there.
sa math at sa chemistry.
Now, we don't have anything na. So now we can use this. But first, we need to get 3.
Kung hindi magbibigay ka.
No, ano yun, may nakita ako dito. Ito, guys. So, 9.
Ito pagka ipasok itong summer classes,
Another
you
3.
still graduate with your batchmates.
4. You cannot use the other ones yet. Later pa. 4.
Itong dalawang subject.
First one side.
How about the 5?
Okay.
Just
Thank you.
one one.
Thank you, Mrs. for coming.
One. I don't know how to draw the whole.
4. Ah, 8. We got 8. Where can you put the 8? Yeah, good job. Next. Do we need, how about 6? Is there a place in the big
Let's follow my list. It's just
We
the
cannot put
mistake.
it there because it's not supposed to be.
Draw it on a flat surface like me.
It's the alternate 9.
Then you
Queen. No. 3. Oh, we can put the 3. Where? We're going to put the 3.
Yeah.
I don't know. Where? There is. I can see it. Where? Look mo! Isa-isahin mo. Can we put it here? Why not? Oh, now that you put it here, look again. Oh, good job. Now you can open that. That's why I tell you, before you touch this, oh, di ba?
One.
Oh no, yeah, no, doon.
I'm just gonna do one.
And let's big layer. And then actually, you open. Yes. And then, oh, see, you have two options. You will choose.
Gagawin natin kay Angel.
Where do you want to put? The 7.
One for the long yeah.
Alam mo naman ang laki ng problema natin kay Angel.
Oh.
Mag-aaral pa ulit yan, no?
Oh, there's nowhere to put the 3.
Bahala sa kanya. Anong ano ka dyan?
Ina, kung bahala sa kanya, paano ka? Baka rin na. May responsibilidad ka rin.
Job. Now,
Okay lang.
we don't have anywhere
Ano
na.
ba ay gumawa niyan, ha?
So, what we can do is we can
Sa kung yung problema niya.
get a 3 again.
Ha? Ikaw ang nanay.
10. Is the 3 10? No, but if it's
Kasi sa
10,
bahay, ikaw dapat
red,
ang bahala
pwede
sa bahay,
sana.
hindi ako.
Tatrabaho din ako.
Okay lang. Kahit pareho tayo nagtatrabaho, kabayan mo ako.
Isang sa pag-aalaga. Solo ako.
Responsibility.
for there.
Kung balik tayo sa
How do you move?
Ako nandun.
There's no move anymore.
Basta na yan.
When you lang chocolate.
It's there.
Noon pa lang, wala ka nang ginawa para alagaan si Angel.